How to make money with TikTok in 2023. Hello guys and welcome to our channel. Welcome to World of Apps. In this video I will show you the best 3 ways to make money with TikTok. So sponsored posts on TikTok involve creating a video that promotes a product or a service and getting paid by the company for doing so. So here is a guide on how to make money with sponsored posts. Build a sizable and engaged following to make money with sponsored posts. You will need to have a sizable and engaged audience. This means creating a content that aligns with your niche and interests and providing value to your followers. Create high quality content. To create brands and make your content more attractive to them, you should consistently create high quality, engaging content that aligns with your niche and interests. Identify potential sponsors. Research brands that align with your niche and interests. Look for companies that have a presence on TikTok and reach out to them to inquire about sponsored post opportunities. Create a media kit. A media kit is a document that contains information about TikTok account such as followers, engagement rate, and demographics. It also includes information about your content and the types of sponsored posts you can create. Pitch to brands. Reach out to brands with a tailored pitch that highlights your account statistics and the value you can bring to their campaign. Be sure to include your media kit and any other relevant information. Negotiate rates and terms. Once a brand expresses interest in working with you, negotiate the terms of the partnership, including the price, the type of content, and the time frame for the campaign. Create the sponsored posts. When the terms are agreed upon, create the sponsored posts in accordance with the brand's guidelines and the FTC's guidelines for sponsored content. Measure the results. After the campaign is finished, measure the results such as the views, likes, comments, and provide them to the brand. To make money with sponsored posts on TikTok, it is important to have a sizable and engaged following and create high quality content that aligns with your niche and interests. Additionally, it's more important to be authentic and transparent with working with brands and to disclose any sponsored posts in accordance with TikTok policies and FTC guidelines. So guys, if you find any value of this video till now, you can like it. Make sure to stay till the end so you can have a better understanding. Also subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. You can also turn on the notification bell so you can be notified every time I post a new video. And if you have any questions, please comment down below and I will answer as quickly as possible. Now, the second method of making money with TikTok is affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing on TikTok involves promoting a product or service and earning a commission for each sale made through your unique affiliate link. So here is a guide on how to make money with affiliate marketing on TikTok. First, you have to build a sizable and engaged following. To make money with affiliate marketing, you need to have a sizable and engaged audience. This means creating content that aligns with your niche and interests and providing value to your followers. Research affiliate programs. Look for affiliate programs that align with your niche. These can include programs from companies that will sell physical goods or digital products like ebooks or courses. Sign up for affiliate programs. Once you find the affiliate programs that align with your niche, sign up for them and get your unique affiliate link. Create high quality content. To attract followers and make your content more attractive to them, you should consistently create high quality, engaging content that aligns with your niche and interests. Incorporate affiliate links into your content. Once you have your unique affiliate link, incorporate it into your content by including in your TikTok bio, in the video description, or in the video itself. Disclose affiliate links. In accordance with TikTok policies and FTC guidelines, make sure to disclose that you are using affiliate links in your content. Track your results. Use tracking softwares to monitor the clicks and sales generated through your affiliate links to measure the success of your campaign. You have also to optimize your content. Use the data you collect to optimize your content by identifying the most successful affiliate links, and the best ways is to incorporate them into your content. To make money with affiliate marketing on TikTok, it is important to have a sizable and engaged following and create high quality content. Additionally, it's important to be authentic and transparent when working with brands and to disclose any affiliate links in accordance with TikTok policies and FTC guidelines. And now the third and last method of making money with TikTok is selling products. Selling products on TikTok involves using the platform to promote and sell your own physical or digital goods. Here is a guide on how to make money with selling products on TikTok. First, you have to identify your niche and product, determine what products you want to sell, and research your target market. Create a TikTok account. Set up a TikTok account that aligns with your niche and product. Make sure to include a bio and link to your website or e-commerce store. Then you have to create high quality content. To attract more followers and make your content more attractive to them, you should consistently create high quality, engaging content that aligns with your niche and also to your product. Incorporate product information into your content, such as product images, videos, and descriptions into your content. Use hashtags and keywords to make it easy for potential customers to find your content. Use TikTok shipping feature. TikTok has a new feature called TikTok shipping, which allows you to tag products in your videos and link them into your e-commerce website. This will make it easier for customers to purchase your product directly from TikTok. Utilize TikTok analytics. Use the analytics provided by TikTok to track the performance of your videos and identify which ones are driving the most sales. Optimize your content. Use the data and you collect to optimize your content by identifying the most successful products and the best ways to incorporate them into your content. Follow TikTok guidelines and policies. Make sure to follow TikTok policies when promoting your products and disclose any sponsored or affiliate content. To make money with selling products on TikTok, it is important to have a sizable and engaged following and create high quality content that aligns with your niche and product. Additionally, it's important to be authentic and transparent when promoting products and to disclose any sponsored or affiliate content in accordance with TikTok policies and FTC guidelines. Utilizing TikTok's new shopping feature and using analytics will help you to optimize your content, increase your sales, and make more money. So guys, that's it. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you liked my methods, my ideas, make sure to comment in the comment section down below which one you liked more. And also, if you didn't, please comment with your thoughts, with your questions, and I will make sure to answer to them as quickly as possible. Also, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, turn on that notification bell because I will post more videos like this one soon. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Have a great day. Bye bye.